How to set a default location in Apple Weather. Here's how to set a default location on your iPhone. First, open the weather. Tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view all of your saved locations. If the city you want isn't listed, tap the search bar at the top, enter the city name, and tap Add. Now, in your list of saved cities, press and hold the 3-line handle next to your preferred location. Drag that city all the way to the top of the list, then release your finger. The city at the top becomes your default saved location, so the weather app will open to it whenever location services aren't being used. If you'd rather have the weather app always show your current location instead, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Privacy and Security, then tap Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down and tap Weather, and choose Always or While using the app, with precise location enabled. And that's it. You've successfully set the default location in the Apple Weather app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.